Hello and welcome back to Karlova Design's new tutorial. This little apron is an addition for the mini dress form that I have released recently, and you can find the links to both patterns in the video description. This is a very quick and easy project. It can be completed in under an hour and also makes your dress form kinda functional. Instead of just being a decoration, it becomes cute little storage for small items such as needles or any other small tools in your workshop. I am using 1 mm goat skin. It's a quite soft one, and for the straps and the pockets I took 1.5 mm crazy horse. Just don't use something too thick so it won't be bulky. This pattern is designed for 4 mm stitching irons. And of course I'm gonna use my favorite method of polishing the pockets with Toconol. I also decided to cut the corners a little bit so they are not as sharp. You can do it or you may not want to do it, that's up to you. For this project I'm going to use Ritza 25.6 mm thread. And now we're just gonna stitch the pockets to the main part of the apron. I'm going to use a small oblong punch for the buttonholes. If you have a different buttonhole punch, you can use that, or you can just use your round punch and then make little cuts on top. Next, I'm going to use some copper rivets to rivet the straps to the apron. You can use any other kind of rivets or Chicago screws, or if you want the straps to be able to rotate freely, you can even use some Browne studs here. If you're using rivets, make sure you're installing your straps at an angle. And lastly, I'm gonna install two Sam Browne studs or button studs. These are 6 millimeters in size. So just screw them on in the top part. This is it, and I'm gonna see how the stuff fits in the pockets. Of course, to fit a lot of stuff in the bigger pocket, you will need a stronger base than mine. I think the chopstick is a little bit too flimsy for such a weight, so it's gonna fall forward. I hope you liked the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.